Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore everyday life in simple, natural English.
That's right. Today, we're going somewhere many people go every day. We're taking the bus.
Exactly. Taking public transport is not only practical, but also a great way to practice English naturally.
I agree. You talk to the driver, ask for directions, and listen to other passengers. It's real English in action.
Perfect. So today, let's learn how to take the bus step by step. First, before leaving home, it's good to check which bus to take.
What can I say if I need to ask someone?
You can say, "Excuse me, which bus goes to the city center?"
I can say, does the number 10 bus go to the train station?
Perfect. You can also ask, "How often does this bus run?" That means how many times per hour.
I can say, when is the next bus coming?
Excellent. These sentences help you start natural conversations before you even get on the bus. Now you're waiting at the bus stop. There might be a few people around.
I can say, excuse me, is this the right stop for the airport?
Perfect. And if someone asks you, you can reply, "Yes, it stops here."
I can say, do you know how long the ride takes?
Nice. People will often say, "About 20 minutes," or "It's just a few stops away."
I can say, thank you. That's helpful.
That's polite and natural. The bus arrives. What do you do first?
I can say to the driver, good morning, how much is a ticket to downtown?
Perfect. And if you already has a card, you can say, "I'll tap my card. Thank you."
I can say, can I buy a return ticket?
Great. A return ticket means you can go and come back.
I can say, does this bus go directly to the city center?
Exactly. Always confirm before paying. Now you're on the bus. You find a seat and get comfortable.
I can say, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Very polite. And if someone says no, go ahead, you can smile and sit down.
I can say, could you please tell me when we reach Park Street?
That's a great one. If you're not sure where to get off, that helps a lot.
I can say, does this bus stop near the shopping mall?
Excellent question. You're doing great. When you're close to your stop, you can pull the stop cord or press the button.
I can say, excuse me, I'd like to get off at the next stop.
Perfect! The driver might say, "No problem."
I can say, thank you for the ride.
That's always a polite way to end your trip.
I can say, have a good day.
Great! Being polite always leaves a good impression. Sometimes buses can be confusing. Maybe routes change or stops are closed.
I can say, excuse me, I think I'm lost. Which stop is this?
Perfect! Or could you please tell me how to get back to the main station?
I can say, Is there another bus that goes to the museum?
Excellent questions. Don't be afraid to ask. People are usually happy to help. All right, Tom, let's review what we learned today.
Great. Let's practice together.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the city center?
Excuse me, which bus goes to the city center?
Does the number 10 bus go to the train station?
Does the number 10 bus go to the train station?
When is the next bus coming?
When is the next bus coming?
Excuse me, is this the right stop for the airport?
Excuse me, is this the right stop for the airport?
How much is a ticket to downtown?
How much is a ticket to downtown?
I'll tap my card, thank you.
I'll tap my card, thank you.
Can I buy a return ticket?
Can I buy a return ticket?
Does this bus go directly to the city center?
Does this bus go directly to the city center?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Could you please tell me when we reach Park Street?
Could you please tell me when we reach Park Street?
Excuse me, I'd like to get off at the next stop.
Excuse me, I'd like to get off at the next stop.
Excuse me, I think I'm lost. Which stop is this?
Excuse me, I think I'm lost. Which stop is this?
Could you please tell me how to get back to the main station?
Could you please tell me how to get back to the main station?
Thank you for the ride.
Thank you for the ride.
Today, we learned how to take the bus in English, from planning your route to getting off politely.
And we practiced many useful phrases for real-life travel situations.
Remember, confidence and politeness make every trip smoother.
And every ride is a chance to practice English in real life.
Exactly. Keep listening, keep speaking, and enjoy learning English every day.
This was A Day with Lily.
See you next time.